Hi everybody, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Boxy Luxe unboxing. So it's a quarterly box that they send that the products inside is supposed to be full-size luxury items, and the cost per box is $49.99, I believe. So let me go ahead and open it. I have a ruler to open my box. This is the box, Boxy charm. Hello, charmers. And this is everything in it. So let's see what we have in this box. It's my first Boxy Luxe unboxing. And here you go with a card that lists everything that should be inside and their cost. And the first thing I see is a huge item, and I'll list the prices as well. This is a fresh green leaves aromatic hand wash. An invigorating hand wash, power packed with uplifting essence, helps to clear the mind and energize and inspire. Smith French Dublin Company. Looks interesting, and they say here that this should be $25 is the retail price. Then we have, what is this? Pure Heals Real Rose Petal Sleeping Mask. Okay. Pure Heals by Nature Village Real Rose Petal Sleeping Mask, and I can actually smell the rose smell through this. I'm normally not a fan of rose. I'm normally not a fan of rose smells, but we'll give it a try. It doesn't smell too bad. And they say the cost of this is $55. So this alone, the retail cost of this actually pays for the entire box of this. So if you pay for this basically a little less, then all the items would be free. But that looks like a really pretty bottle. And it's a sleeping mask, and they actually include the little spatula to pick it up, which I really appreciate that, because then you're not digging your nails in the product, which can be unsanitary. It says it's vegan. Okay, sleeping mask containing real rose petals and rose water to moisturize and revitalize your dry and stressed skin while sleeping. That sounds very interesting for sure. So it is like it looks like a liquidy gel, and you can definitely see some particles inside, so I'm guessing that's what they're saying is the rose. Let's see if I can open this. I definitely can smell it. It doesn't smell like an overpowering smell of rose. Like I have the Tom Ford rose something or other, and that's very overpowering. Usually have to mix it with something. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, it's a nice gel consistency, and it smells really pretty. It smells like a fresh rose powder, like roses but with powder inside. So I think I can definitely mess with this, because sometimes the smell of rose and rose water is just way too much. So that looks very luxurious to try, and I'm super excited that it does have the little spatula inside. The next item in here, what is it? Oh, Dr. Brandt Skin Changing Science. So this is looking like it's very skincare heavy. It's a triple antioxidant face cream. Say I love you with pride. Oh, and it's representing Pride Month. Awesome. It hydrates, soothes irritation. Applied to cleanse skin AM and PM. It says embrace skin with pride. Our triple antioxidant face cream in partnership with the event Face of Pride is formulated with A3 Power, a dynamic moisture boost with anti-aging, antioxidant, and anti-stress ingredients to reduce the signs of aging, visibly reduce the look of stressed skin, and help maintain a luminous and healthy looking complexion. Definitely interested in trying this. My skin definitely shows signs of stress for sure. Okay, so it's in a little tube like this, and I usually like to see if it's a gel consistency or a creamy-ish, but it's closed and I don't want to open it right now until I'm ready to try it. The retail price of this is $64. Wow, that's quite pricey. And oh, this was probably the heaviest thing in there. Aromatherapy Associates London Revive Body Gel. Energize and Awaken, 200 ml of product. Let's see. Experience the refreshing and invigorating power of grapefruit, rosemary, and juniper to even out the appearance of skin tone and texture and to maintain a healthy glow. Well-being moment. Massage into your skin each day using light upward strokes to stimulate the body. Focus on areas of concern like hips, thighs, stomachs, ankles, and feet. Okay. So this is definitely a body cream, but there's a warning. Sensible caution. Not recommended during pregnancy, for adults only. If suffering from a medical condition, seek advice from a doctor. I wonder why. Has anybody ever tried this and know why there's such a warning on there? Maybe it's because of the aromatherapy in it. I don't know. And is it sealed? Can I open this? No, it's like, I'm confused. I cannot. I don't see a seal on it. Okay, I'll have to figure that out. Oh, it does have a seal. My eyes are old, you guys. Whoa. That's definitely like a minty smell. It's a gel. So I'll definitely try this and let you guys know. I've been thinking about doing a Boxy charm, updates on things that I've gotten and have I liked them or not. And did I say the price of this? The aromatherapy is $46. At the end of the video, I'll definitely post the total amount the box says it should. This is another company that the box says that it should be total price. This is another product or company that I wanted to try. Is the Elemis Super Glow AHA Glow Cleansing Butter. It's a pumpkin glow facial cleanser. Ooh, pumpkin, acerola, cherry, and mango butter. Cleanse, brightens, and nourishes. The comforting super ferment infused butter leaves skin cleansed with a healthy glow. Massage butter into dry skin and rinse with warm or and rinse with warm water or apply to a cotton pad and wipe gently over face and eyes if contact with eyes occurs. Okay. Interesting. Definitely something I'm willing to try. It's 3 ounces of product. So let's open that. Oh, look at that. It's a really pretty bottle. I wonder if it's orange. Let's see. It's probably sealed. Yeah, it's sealed. Oh no. Oh no, it's open. Okay, let's see. It looks like it should be sealed, but it's not. Let's see. So we'll just keep that closed. Sealed for your protection. Should I even use this if it's not sealed? Because that means I'm not protected. I don't know. So the elements cost $38 retail price, and it actually says this is a new launch. So this is something new. Maybe there's something that they're launching for the fall. How many products? That's already over 5 products, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there's more in here. Really nice. What's this? It's an NYS something or other. Let's see. What could it be? Oh, it's in a nice little pouch. Oh, sunglasses. That's where you got me. I can't. Super cool. Super plasticky. Chanel-esque. Right there. Let's try it on for fun. Not bad, very nice. But unfortunately, I cannot partake. So, okay, how much are these glasses? NYS, $40 for these. They're the NYS collection Clarkson Avenue sunglasses. These shades are your go-to everyday fashion frame with a perfect balance between timeless and edgy. I would not buy this for $40. I'm sorry. This definitely, I can wipe these down and I can do a giveaway. Obviously, I would include other stuff. I don't know if you guys can hear the rain, but it's really coming down. All right, I'm excited for this. We have a NARS blush. I really like NARS blush. I just hope it's not orgasm. I just hope it's not orgasm, and it's orgasm. It does not agree with me. I have one that's so old and I literally use it. It's a small one. I literally use it for my daughter when she has her dance recitals. But this is too sparkly for me. I'm just not, it's not me. It's pretty, but you know what? I'm not even gonna swatch it. Everybody knows what the NARS Orgasm Blush looks like. And I will include this in a giveaway as well. The cost of this retail price is $30, and that is true. That is definitely the retail price for that. What I'm gonna do, actually, I'm gonna Google the product online and see how much it costs online versus what BoxyCharm is saying. And here's another thing that I'm not gonna even open. Let's see. It's a brow styler. I don't do my brows. The 2-in-1 wax pencil and powder is all you need to create 3 essential brow looks. So I'm gonna include this in a giveaway, the NARS blush in a giveaway, and sunglasses, and I'll find some other stuff to put in the giveaway. So that's all I have today for my BoxyCharm Luxe. For the most part, I did enjoy the items that I got. I'm excited to try this hand wash, the body lotion, I'm excited with what I got so far. I'm going to enjoy the body lotion and the pumpkin face wash, Dr. Denise brand, the hand wash, and this right here, the rose sleeping mask, because I'm not gonna do it right away because I have some products open. Like I said, I'm going to do a giveaway with the brow setter. Who is the brow setter by, actually? Benefits. It's a Benefit brow setter. The retail price is $34. I don't know, you guys tell me. I don't use that. So the brow setter, sunglasses, and the Noise Orgasm, I'm going to do a giveaway for, and I'll include some other stuff as well. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching my videos. You all have an amazing day. I hope you're staying safe out there, and I hope, if you're not a subscriber, if you like and subscribe my videos, excited if you would like and subscribe my videos. And I will have definitely more videos coming up. I do have an Ipsy and some random box that came in. I have no idea where it's from. But you guys, thank you so much again. You have a great one. I'll see you soon. Bye.